Basic integration. Basic integration formula. Okay, so one by one. So all trigonometric function, integration of all 6 trigonometric function is required. So just we will write, I will write integration of sin x dx. That is minus cos x. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Integration of cos x. So just I will write the left hand side. You think and you write one by one. Tan x integration of secant x dx, integration of cosecant x, and integration of cot x. Yes, integration of cos x, that is sin x, integration of tan x, anyone? Log of secant x. Okay, log of secant means what you will differentiate. If you differentiate the answer RHS, you should get left hand side LHS. Means differentiation of sin x is cos x, therefore integration of cos x is sin x. Second one, like the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Now that minus minus become plus sin x. So like that log differentiate, if you differentiate log secant, it gives 1 by secant, secant into tan. Differentiation of secant is secant into tan. So that gives tan x. Okay, so like that. Similarly, you think what is the differentiation of secant x? Integration of secant x? Take down.
Log of secant x.
Yes. Log of secant x plus tan x. Similarly, cosecant, it is still simple, means like similar to secant only. In place of secant x, you write cosecant x, plus become minus, tan x become cot x. And the last one, integration of cot x is log sin x. Because if you differentiate log sin x, 1 by sin x, differentiation of log sin x is 1 by sin x differentiation is cos x, so cos by sin you will get cot. So these are the 6 very important integration formula of trigonometric function sin to cot. And we have this usual x power n dx comes means it is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is the very basic formula. And integration of 1 by x, okay, 1 by x dx comes means it is log x, okay, log x, and whatever it is required by parts. Okay, if I take integration of what is the integration of uv dx, it is a by parts. By parts means first function u into integration of v, so that I will write like this, minus integration of this answer, integration of v into d by dx of first function u. Okay, so differentiation. So like this is integration by parts. Okay, so enough. If you can leave some 3-4 lines extra, if any other formula comes other than this, that you can fill it. Okay, so I will start the next heading. So actually we require that integration formula. Integration is there in the formula itself, therefore just I given this procedures. Just take variation of parameter. Yes, take down variation of parameter. Consider second order differential equation. Consider second order differential equation, that is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx. A1 I will take a1 d square y by dx square plus a2 dy by dx plus a3y equals phi of x. And again it is constant coefficient. Okay, so previous last two topics, it is Cauchy's and Legendre's, it is variable coefficient. Now it is again constant coefficient. But what is the difference? Why we require this method means RHS, just you can recall the first type 1, type 2, type 3 problems, that is constant coefficient. We have only three. One is exponential, another one is trigonometric. Trigonometric nothing but only sine and cos, and the third one is polynomial. But apart from that sine cos, if secant comes, tan comes, means that we are not possible to solve in the previous method. Now in this variation of parameter method we can solve whatever the RHS that we can solve. There is no restriction at all. Okay, yes, take on y is equal to, so how many roots you will get for this second order differential equation?
2 roots.
Yes, it is 2 roots only, because it is second order. Now you will get 2 roots. And one more thing, remember, in variation of parameter, it is possible to solve only second order only. Okay, d square only. They will not ask d cube, because it will very lengthy actually. In your curriculum, it is there only restricted to second order. Second order means how many roots you will get? It is 2 roots. Okay, take down. Let yc equals C1u plus C2v. I don't know what is u and v, because for second order you will get 2 roots, m1 and m2, either it is equal, distinct or complex. You will get like this C1u plus C2v. That I will explain while solving the problem also. Let it be. Okay. Next line. The complete solution given in the complete solution is given by y equals a into u plus b into v, where a equals minus integration of vr by omega, b equals integration of ur by omega. In the problem I'll explain again. Okay, just take down the problem formula, where again omega equals here omega equals determinant of u v u dash v dash. Yes, and r equals r nothing but phi of x. Whatever the RHS, that we will take it as r. R stands for just right hand side. R, you can, instead of r you can write phi of x also. Yes, is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just listen. Briefly I will explain. See, first they will give second order differential equation. Okay, they will give the problem second order only, like d square only. So convert into auxiliary equation, nothing but in terms of m, and don't take any variable, and make it RHS also 0. Find the roots. You will get 2 roots. 2 roots may be in all cases, may be real and equal, real and distinct, and complex. So after getting 2 roots, you write yc as like in this form only you will get. For example, minus 1 comma minus 2 comes, means you will write c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Is it right? So this you take it as u, this we take it as v. Okay, that is u and v. Okay, after getting u, for example, repeated roots comes, for example 2 comma 2, how you will write yc? You will get like this now. c1 plus c2x whole multiplied by e power 2x. This is the way we are writing yc if there is a repeated roots. Then you multiply here e power 2x. Just multiply, remove the bracket. You will get c1 e power 2x plus c2 x into e power 2x you will get. Now this you take it as u, x into e power 2, this take it as v. X into e power 2x you take it as v. Anyhow you will get the two terms that you can take it as u and v. And complex also. Complex means e power alpha x, and here you will get c1 cos plus c2 sin. If you multiply e power alpha also, then e power alpha into cos as u and e power alpha into sin as v. Okay, so this is the way we are calculating u and v. Once you calculate u and v, you calculate first omega. Okay, so come to here. Here, this omega, you substitute omega u v first row, whatever u and v you are getting here, that you substitute here u and v and calculate their derivative. U differentiation is u dash, v differentiation u dash, that you calculate omega. After getting omega, r nothing but RHS, in the problem only it is given phi of x. You find out this a and b. A is minus integration of VR by omega, b is integration of ur by omega. After calculating a and b, substitute here. This is the complete solution, a into u plus b into v. Okay, so this is the procedure. So again we will discuss while solving the problem. Okay, shall I go to the problem? Yes, shall I go to the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Take down the problems. Solve the following. Solve the following by method of variation of parameter. By the method of variation of parameter. So they will ask in the question paper, in the exam, in this way only. If they specify this method, okay, variation of parameter method, if they specified, then you should solve in the same method only. Okay, first problem. Solve d square y by dx square plus y equals tan x. Yes. What's the auxiliary equation? Sorry, first consider in terms of t. D square y plus y equals tan x. Take y common. D square plus 1 into y equals tan x. What is the auxiliary equation? M square plus 1 equal to 0. M square equals minus 1. M equals plus or minus I, because square root you will get, no? Plus or minus I. So write YC for this. Here this is alpha 0, beta 1. So what is YC? Anyone?
E power 0 x into
E power 0 is 1. No need to write now. C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Okay. So this is first part is common. Again, I told now complete throughout this module you will get YC, and if you calculate the roots and if you write the YC, definitely you will get 2 marks. Each problem you will get 2 or 3, not less than that. Okay. Now here you write down, this implies u equals cos x and v equals sin x. So what is the coefficient of C1? Means C1 with what is the term, that is u. The term with C2 is v. So that you put it in box. This is very important, u and v. So whatever it is required, that I will highlight here. Now you write omega. Omega equals uv u dash v dash. Calculate omega, 2 cross 2 determinant. So that gives u is
Sorry,
cos
sir.
x. Yes.
Sir, we will not take constant C1 and C2.
No. You should not take the whatever the function along with the C1, that is u, and whatever the function along with C2, that is v. You should not take constant. Constant, we are it is not particular. We don't know what is C1 and C2. Okay, that only we have to calculate if they given the condition. We called it as boundary value problem. Okay, at that case we have to calculate the constant. That also we will solve at the end. Okay, yes. You should not take now. Cos x, u is cos x, v is sin x. Yes, what is the differentiation of cos x? U dash nothing but differentiation of u. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x, and differentiation of sin x is cos x. Okay. Now solve the 2 cross 2 determinant. What you will get? That become cos x into cos x is cos square x.
Cos square x plus sin square x.
Yeah, formula minus, but here one more minus is there, that become plus. The sin x into sin x is sin square x. So then what is the value of omega?
1.
Omega equals 1. So that also you put it in box, highlight it. Okay. Now after getting omega, you calculate A. A is, write the formula, A equals minus integration of ur by omega. Okay, minus VR. Minus integration of VR by omega. Is it right now? What I given in the general this one?
Yes, sir.
Minus VR by omega.
Yes.
Yes. What is V here? Sin x is there. Is it right? Yes, substitute. Minus integration of sin x into R stands for tan x. R stands for tan x. Nothing but RHS of the function. Okay, that is phi of x. Omega is 1, and this you have to integrate with respect to x because the function involved in x only, in terms of x only. Yes, now how to integrate? This topic integration will come. And one more thing is, either anyone will be simple and anyone will be little bit complicated. Means if A is complicated, B definitely it will be easy. Or if A is simple, then B will be little bit complicated. Okay. Yes. Anyone? Any idea? Okay. Sin x I will write as it is. Tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. See, we have many methods to simplify this. Okay, integration not only in this way, you can use any basic formula and you can solve and you will get unique answer. So tan can be written as sin x by cos x now. So this what I will do, minus integration of sin x into sin x is sin square x divided by cos x dx. So why I am doing sin square, we have one formula in terms of cos x. What is that? 1 minus cos x divided by cos x. Is it right? Sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x, 1 minus cos square x divided by cos x. Now split the denominator, minus integration of 1 by cos x minus cos square x by cos x means you will get cos x. Is it right? And finally, minus integration of 1 by cos x is secant x minus cos x dx. And that gives minus of integration of secant x. It is given log of secant x plus tan x minus integration of cos x is sin x. So this complete for this I will take one constant, say k1. This is a. Okay, integration I can't tell you solve only in this method. Whatever the method you can follow. Okay, so parallelly I will go with b here only. You got it? This answer? A?
Yes, sir.
Is there any simple method that also you can follow, like substitution method, any method? Now I will calculate b. B is equal to integration of ur by omega. See, and this is really, I will tell you, you will get one compulsory problem from variation of parameter. One problem definitely you will get, and we have some few problems like 6 to 7 problems. That's it. The standard problems. If you solve and if you are thoroughly perfect with the problems, you can score 7 marks easily in this method. Yes. Substitute. What is u? U is cos x. R is tan x by omega is 1 dx. That equals integration of what I can do, cos x, right, as it is, tan x can be written as sin x divided by cos x. See, this become very simple, dx. Here see, cos x and cos x cancel, just integration of sin x. I told now one will be little bit complicated and another will be simple. And finally, what is the integration of sin x?
Minus cos x.
Yes, minus cos x plus, right, take one constant k2. This is b. Okay, so these are just highlighted. A also I have to highlight. See, same we will expect in the exam also, in internal and exam everywhere. Okay, so now see, this is AB. So finally, therefore, y equals a into u plus b into b. Just you write this one, that is n.